Guys, how can you create a gold effect in Photoshop and convert any subject into gold? First, go to Select Subject. Once the subject selection is complete, create a mask. Now convert the masked subject layer into a smart object. Next, go to Adjustment Layer Solid Color. Choose black and press OK. Drag this solid color layer below the subject layer. Now press Ctrl-U to open Hue Saturation. Set the saturation to -100. Create a copy of this layer. Go to Blending Options and select Difference. Press Ctrl-I to invert it. Now hold the Shift key, select both layers and convert them into a smart object. Create another copy of this. Again, go to Blending Options Difference. Press Ctrl-I to invert it. Hold Shift, select both layer again, and convert them into a smart object. Repeat this process one more time. Create a copy. Set Blend Mode to Difference. Press Ctrl-I. Select all both layers. Convert into a smart object. Now rename this final layer as Gold. Go to Filter Stylize Oil Paint and apply these settings. Stylization 9.0. Cleanliness 8.5. Scale 1.0. Bristle. Detail 4.5. Turn lighting option on. Set angle 56. Shine 0.6. Press OK. Next, go to Adjustment Layer Curves. In Curves, switch to the red channel. Input 105, output 170. Now, switch to the blue channel. Input 200, output 70. Go back to RGB view, and that's it. You've successfully created a gold effect and converted your subject into realistic gold in Photoshop.